All packed up. Where are we headed, Donnie?
Mammoth.
Where are we, Max? About to drop in right here. Send it.
Oh Lord, we pay the price with the spin of a wheel, with the roll of the dice. Ah yeah, you pay your fare, and if you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there. And I've been traveling through the dirt and the grime, from the past to the future, through the space and the time, traveling deep beneath the waves, in watery grottos and mountainous caves.
I was in your way.
Ah Lord, we got to fight with the thoughts in the head, with the dark and the light. No use.
Even today, 0 out of 5 stars. Sandwich.
How was the snow? How was the snow?
Terrible, because the shuttle just skipped us.
That made the snow bad?
Yeah. We got like a little bit of flurries, as you can see currently, and a little bit of powder at the end, and it was pretty good. I mean, I ripped Max. Not his best stuff, but as a team, I think I carried.
All right, thank you. We love to hear it.
Yeah.
Days never finished. Master got me working. Someday Master set me free.
Tell them not to vape.
Don't vape, kids.
No!